I'm Marcus, and for the past 10 years, I've been delivering nature-based flood adaptation across London. At Northbrook Park, we've restored a wetland, created a wet woodland, and brought a buried stream back to the surface. It's the first step in a bold, community-led vision to stitch together fragmented green spaces into a new district park. The park sits just upstream of one of Lewisham's highest flood risk areas, where the South Circular is previously flooded. By diverting a 14-hectare drainage catchment through SuDS, the scheme helps to protect homes and critical infrastructure downstream. What was once an overlooked corner of the park is now thriving. It hosts forest school sessions, features signage co-designed with local pupils, and draws in regular volunteers and visitors. We've secured 10 years of funding to support stewardship, helping to ensure this space continues to deliver for nature, resilience, and the community for years to come.